Welcome to the ultimate verdict on NordVPN in 2026. Is it still the best VPN option for professionals, or is it a waste of money? We'll dive deep into its features and compare it to the competition to give you a definitive answer. NordVPN's proprietary NordLynx protocol is a key differentiator, built for raw speed and efficiency. It offers only a 5 to 8% speed drop, unlike the 30 to 50% reduction seen with the older standard OpenVPN protocol, ensuring low latency and effortless background operation. Threat Protection Pro acts as a silent security suite, running independently of the VPN tunnel. It automatically blocks malware downloads, stops web trackers, and removes malicious ads, offering protection even when you're not actively connected to the VPN. The NordVPN server fleet is expansive, boasting over 6,400 servers across 111 countries. This is nearly double the raw server volume of its closest competitor, expressvpn, providing greater network density and specialized P2P optimized servers. NordVPN prioritizes privacy with a forensically audited 100% no-logs operation. Being based in Panama, outside the 5, 9, and 14 Eyes alliances means they cannot legally hand over user data, a crucial distinction from many budget alternatives. Nord SmartPlay offers reliable, zero-error access to global streaming platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and Disney+. It uses invisible DNS routing to instantly unblock content, allowing for 4K streaming without buffering, unlike standard VPNs that are often flagged as proxies. A single NordVPN account supports 10 simultaneous device connections, covering phones, PCs, tablets, and smart TVs. This is perfect for multi-device users and professionals, significantly exceeding the industry average of 5 to 8 connections. Nord Meshnet is an encrypted private P2P network that lets you connect devices directly, anywhere in the world. It secures remote file access without the cloud, bypassing third-party servers entirely, making it essential for remote teams. NordVPN takes a proactive approach to security with a built-in dark web monitor. It provides 24/7 credential breach scanning and instant alerts on stolen data, stopping account takeovers before they happen, which a reactive approach cannot do. Nord specialty servers include Double VPN, which encrypts all traffic twice, and obfuscated servers, which hide VPN usage entirely. These advanced options bypass strict firewalls and are crucial for high-risk privacy and journalism. A notable limitation in 2026 is that NordVPN on iOS still lacks split tunneling, forcing all traffic through the VPN. Competitors like expressvpn offer full split tunneling on iOS, providing superior customized routing flexibility. While Double VPN mode offers extreme encryption, it comes with a massive 40 to 50% speed drop, making it unusable for daily tasks like streaming or downloading. NordLynx Standard is the lightning-fast driver mode you will use 99% of the time. At around $3.39 per month on a 2-year plan, NordVPN offers an unbeatable feature-to-price ratio. This is half the price of ExpressVPN, positioning NordVPN as the sweet spot for professionals seeking premium features at a competitive rate. The 2026 triumphs include near-native speeds via NordLynx, triple audited no-logs policy, and Meshnet's free remote collaboration. The main frustrations are the continuing lack of split tunneling on iOS and the speed sacrifice with Double VPN mode. Buy NordVPN if you are a freelancer on public Wi-Fi, manage geo-blocked accounts, or need reliable streaming and audited privacy proof. Skip it if you are an iOS-only power user, require unlimited devices, or need the absolute cheapest monthly option.